Hello and welcome to Indian Masterminds. My name is Bhakti Kothare. A new chapter begins in the story of Telangana's governance as K. Ramakrishna Rao, a seasoned IS officer from the 1991 batch, officially takes charge as the new Chief Secretary of the state. With deep financial expertise, decades of experience, and a clear vision for coordinated, tech enabled governance, his appointment signals both continuity and change. Rao succeeds A. Santhi Kumari, who retired on April 30th after a dedicated tenure marked by commitment and service. His elevation to the top bureaucratic post is not just a routine transition, it's the culmination of a distinguished administrative journey deeply rooted in both ground level engagement and high level policy strategy. Rao's reputation rests solidly on a decade long leadership of Telangana's finances. As Special Chief Secretary of the Finance Department, he presented a total of 14 state budgets, including two vote on account budgets, a rare feat in the Indian state administrations. His stewardship of fiscal planning and budgeting has earned him credibility across political and bureaucratic circles. And here's the impressive part. He's not stepping away from finance just yet. Even as Chief Secretary, he will continue to hold full additional charge of the Finance Department, proof of the trust placed in his abilities. Rao's intellectual foundation is as solid as his administrative track record. An engineer by training, he is an alumnus of the prestigious IIT Kanpur and IIT Delhi. He also holds a master's in business administration, specializing in investments and giving him a strong grasp on both technical systems and financial framework. This multidisciplinary perspective has been a hallmark of his governance style. Practical, data-driven, and forward-looking. His initial postings saw him serve as district magistrate in Adilabad and Guntur in the then undivided Andhra Pradesh. These formative years gave him a direct understanding of on-ground realities, the challenges faced by rural populations, and the need for responsive, people-centric governance. He later served as Director of School Education, where he led initiatives in the crucial social sector of education, further strengthening his understanding of developmental administration. But one of the defining chapters in Rao's career came during the Andhra Pradesh reorganization. With the enactment of the Reorganization Act and the formation of Telangana, Rao emerged as a central figure. He represented Telangana's interests with clarity and conviction before the Ministry of Home Affairs and on platforms such as the Southern Zonal Council. The previous Bharat Rashtra Samiti government had considerable faith in his ability to negotiate and defend this new state's case at the national level. His contributions weren't limited to financial policy or district administration. As Director General of the Center for Good Governance, Rao spearheaded numerous IT-driven reform programs across multiple states. He has been a staunch advocate for modernization in government processes, pushing for transparency, efficiency, and citizen-centric delivery through technology. One of his major achievements in this domain was the implementation of the Integrated Financial Management and Information System, or IFMIS. This digital platform has improved oversight, accountability, and transparency in government finances and stands as a symbol of Rao's commitment to clean and efficient fiscal management. Since 2016, he has been deeply engaged with the state's finances, whether it's resource mobilization, expenditure monitoring, or aligning developmental goals with fiscal realities. Rao has played a key role in ensuring that Telangana's economic engine runs smoothly, even during challenging periods. Speaking to the press after assuming charge, Rao clearly outlined his priorities. My priority, as it has been for the last decade, will be keeping the finances right. But he also added, and this is significant, as Chief Secretary, now my special focus will be on maximizing the output from our vast human resources in the government sector. I want to create efficient coordination, a seamless network between the many departments and agencies. His career also includes an impactful stint at the national level, where he served as Joint Secretary in the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. In between, he has also spent 6 years working with multilateral agencies, further expanding his governance lens and exposing him to international best practices. So what does all this add up to? A grassroots administrator, a budget expert, a policy strategist, a reform-driven technocrat, and a national and international thinker. Rao's experience is both deep and diverse, making him a uniquely qualified leader to guide Telangana's administration at this critical juncture. Though his retirement is scheduled for August, the months ahead are expected to be focused and purposeful. With a deep understanding of both legacy issues and future challenges, Rao is expected to ensure a seamless administrative transition while laying down firm foundations for long-term efficiency and fiscal discipline. K. Ramakrishna Rao's journey is a masterclass in public service, balancing finance with vision, local insight with global awareness, and tradition with transformation. Telangana enters a new government phase, and all eyes will be on how Rao shapes its path forward. What do you think about K. Ramakrishna Rao's appointment as Chief Secretary? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Indian Masterminds for more updates from the world of governance and bureaucracy. This is Bhakti Kothari signing off. Thank you for watching.